You guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to customize font weight on iPhone lock screen. I have a phone in my right hand with iOS 16 and my left hand phone has iOS 17. So first of all I am press and hold on the lock screen to customize the font style on my iOS 16 phone. So as you can see there is not font weight customize slider. Now let's see my iOS 17 running iPhone. Press and hold on the lock screen and go to the customize settings screen. Tap on font and I get a screen look like this. A little bit of a slider to adjust the thickness of the clock font on the lock screen. We can adjust font weight for the first 5 font style when we go for the last font style, so the slider will disappear. And when we come back on the other font style, then the slider comes automatically like a magic. So after adjust your desired font thickness to save the changes. Now tap on the lock screen and in the last tap on the done button appear upper and right edge corner. That's it. Finally, let's see different font style on the lock screen. So this is all about customizing font weight on the new iOS 17 lock screen. But to get this feature, your phone must support iOS 17. Check my pinned comment in the video description to know iOS 17 supported device list. If this way not working for you, please drop your comment below. In the end, like this video, and for more tips and tricks, please subscribe my channel and tap the bell icon to get an alert timely. Thanks for watching.